Good afternoon all of you. So today I will show you one displacement reaction having how zinc reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid. Here I have taken the hydrochloric acid to put some zinc granules in this. We have the zinc granules. You can see the fumes of hydrogen. And how can we confirm this is hydrogen gas? By the pop sound test. Can you see? Have you observed this pop sound in gas test? You can consider this in hydrogen gas test also, or this is also a displacement reaction. Why? Zinc displaces hydrogen from HCl and hydrogen is removed from HCl, and how we have confirmed? By the pop sound test. Thank you.